In this video we are going to demonstrate how we are interfacing the Logitech Joystick, which is the Extreme 3D Pro, to Java, so that we can control our Rovers with the Logitech Joystick. So to do this, we're using a library from Wisconsin Robotics, which is in GitHub, and we've written a Java native interface into that. So we have a Java class now that interfaces to the joystick with a Java native interface, using, of course, the Wisconsin Robotics library that we got from GitHub. And of course we had to hack a lot of things to make all this work, and we'll put more details on the website. So here we're showing the Java application, which shows Java Beans, NavBall, plus 3 indicators on the bottom, and the further left is the X, then going to the right is the Y, then the Z, and then we have the slider. Okay, so the slider is right here. Now the joystick itself moves as forward, like I can push it in, pull it back, and go left, go right, and I can also twist it. Okay, so this is the twist operation. Okay, so let's do this again. We have the joystick. I'm going to push it forward, and you see we're heading toward the ground on the NavBall, and now I'm going to come back. That's neutral position. Pull. This is like I'm taking off toward the sky. You can see the NavBall tracking that. Now, if I was going to go on the x-axis to the left, you can see the NavBall showing that. That's like a roll, and another roll in the other direction. Okay? And this is pitch. Full pitch toward the ground, pitch toward the sky. Okay? Now you can also see the dials there, and again, moving from left to right, we have X, Y, and Z. So this is X. You can see the dial go all the way to 0, and then all the way to 100%. Now also the Y. So I go, in this case, 100% is full forward, pull it back, and we go to 0. Idle is 50. Okay, now twist is the Z-axis. So if I twist this guy, you can see what's going on with the Z-axis. So I'm twisting, you can see that. And of course we have the slider here, which right now is at 0, and I can move it, and you can see the dial over there. So that's 100%. You can move it, goes to 0. So what I was doing is moving the slider here like that. Okay, so we have a full interface of the Logitech Extreme 3D Pro to the Java interface, and therefore through the networked robots we can actually control Rovers with our joystick using Java, since we do have a Java application that can connect to the individual network robots through the WebSocket interface, and of course a frontline server. So we can actually control the rover. So we can say, for example, go forward, reverse, and then left and right, in particular with omnidirectional, and tank by twisting. Okay, and we'll show videos of that in operation, but the key thing here is to illustrate that we do have interface into the Logitech joystick to control our robots, whether mobile Rovers or arms. And later we're going to show actual interface into Rovers and go forward, reverse, and tank. Or in the case of omnidirectional, left and right also with the joystick. That's the x-axis. Okay, so this concludes this video, and visit the website, and we should probably later have code that shows the Java native interface into the C code, C++ code that is provided by Wisconsin Robotics through their GitHub. So we'll have all that on the website.